Hi, and welcome back to today's episode on Springwell 360. I'm Dr. Nadine Spring, and today I'm going to be talking about AI and its use in clinical trial recruitment and the potential for bias. So, what is AI, right? We've been hearing a lot about AI. AI means artificial intelligence, and it is increasingly being utilized in clinical trial recruitment to streamline the process, enhance participant selection, and to improve trial outcomes. It has the potential to analyze vast, huge amounts of data rapidly and has significantly impacted how researchers can identify and recruit suitable candidates for trials. One of the prominent use of AI is in identifying potential participants, and it does this by analyzing extensive databases, medical records, and even uses social media to match specific trial eligibility and exclusion criteria. And so this automated screening process expedites the identification of suitable candidates, and it helps to accelerate trial recruitment, and also it helps to reduce costs. However, despite this efficiency, or what we think is an efficiency, there is also growing concern about potential biases embedded in these AI algorithms. And these biases can emerge due to various factors, including historical data disparities, inadequate representation of diverse populations in the data set that AI is using, or even algorithmic design flaws. So, if the historical data used to train these AI systems predominantly represents certain demographics, it can actually inadvertently exclude or underrepresent other groups, leading to biased participant selection. And we know right now that, based on other presentations I've made and based on the research, health equity really needs to have representation and representative groups in these clinical trials. So we don't want to introduce AI where it can even further help to bridge that gap of underrepresentation in clinical trials. This bias in the AI-driven recruitment can impact the generalizability of clinical trial results, compromising the effectiveness and safety of treatments for underrepresented populations. It helps to perpetuate health disparities and inhibits achieving true health equity. So, in order to mitigate the bias in AI driven recruitment, it's really crucial to do a few things. Number one, we need to ensure that there's diverse and inclusive data sets, and incorporating diverse data sets that accurately represent various demographic is going to help in reducing biases. Number two, we regularly need to assess and audit these algorithms for AIs. We really need to have continual evaluation of AI algorithms, and this can help to identify biases and facilitate adjustments to enhance fairness. Number three, we need to foster transparency and ethical standards. We really need to uphold transparency in AI algorithms and adhere to ethical standards in data collection use that are pivotal to mitigating biases. And lastly, ethical considerations, rigorous oversight, and ongoing improvements in AI algorithms are imperative to harness the potential of AI in clinical trial recruitment while also minimizing biases and ensuring that there is inclusivity in healthcare research. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time.